Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin and I'm not going to cook today. It's Father's Day weekend. I'm going to Flagstaff, Arizona. I'm going to see my boys. We're going to hang out. Our best friend Mark, Uncle Mark to the boys, known him for a very long time. We've even lived in an apartment together when we were very young. And anyway, we're going to be at his place and he's going to cook up a pork butt. So let's head on out there and see what he's got going on, and hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, here's our pit boss, and we are in beautiful Flagstaff, Arizona. Look at the size of these trees. Man, it's just beautiful here. This 8-pound pork rub has been sitting all night in Jack Daniels BBQ Rub, topped with blood orange slices and some green chili. This is gonna be awesome. We're gonna get this out to the pit boss. We are smoking today at 250 degrees. We're using Bear Mountain gourmet pellets. And we're just gonna let this go for, probably 6-7 hours today. And in the meantime, we're gonna make up some mop, and we're gonna use our world famous spicy SPG, some Pineapple Orange Guava, Molson beer, and a little bit of vinegar. And every hour and a half or so, we come out here and put some of our mop on this pork. And look at that, look at those green chilies. Oh, with that marinating all night with the green chilies and the blood orange on it, just the flavor that comes through those green chilies and blood orange just makes this pork butt absolutely delicious. Okay, so mopped it. Here we are. We're about, I don't know, midday. Got a little lunch going on the side. After about 6.5 hours, we're temping at probably around 160. We're gonna pull it off. We're gonna stick it in our roasting pan. And then we're gonna pour the rest of our mop in the bottom of this pan. And it's not quite enough juice, so we're gonna mix the mop in the pan. We're just gonna add the rest of that beer in there. Just like that. We're gonna get the Pineapple Orange Guava juice. Add a little bit of that, probably, maybe half a cup. Just pour it in along the sides. Do not pour it over the top. And last but not least, we're gonna add the world famous spicy SPG. I brought him some of this out. This is Father's Day weekend. Had to bring some of that for him. And he's just gonna sprinkle it around here, the sides. We're gonna cover it up with some foil. Just like that. Now we're gonna get it back into that pit boss. We're gonna crank the heat up to about 300, 350. Get the temp gauge back in so we know when it's gonna hit around 200, 205. We're gonna run this for about an hour and a half at 300, then we'll move it up to 350. Check this out, another look at the beautiful sky, pine trees. Man, here we are, 350 degrees. We're almost done. We're gonna take a peek. Be careful when you do that. Oh man, look at that. That is gorgeous. All right, look at that built-in thermometer. That bone sticking out, it's ready. We're gonna throw it in the oven and let it rest for about 2 hours. Then when we're ready, we uncover it. And Mark is going to remove the green chili and blood orange. We were gonna shred it in the green chilies into the pork, but we decided not to this time. You can, and it makes it really delicious. You just need to get some of the peel off of there. Just pull that bone right out. Look at that. Look at that. Mark's hands, he had some hand surgery, so my son kicked in there to help. Man, that's awesome. And we're gonna shred it up. Pulls apart nice. Look at that smoke ring. Oh my God, yummy. Okay, here's the finished product with the Pineapple Orange Guava beer and spicy SPG. We let that braise in there. This is delicious. And here is the final product. It's a sandwich with homemade coleslaw. It is time to eat. Happy Father's Day to us. Okay, we are back in Farmington, and man, that pulled pork was amazing with that pineapple orange and guava. the pork that was seasoned with Jack Daniels Rub, the blood oranges on top, the green chilies, all that was just so it could all cook and soak into that pork butt. He said sometimes he'll shred up the green chilies. This time they were a little bit dry by the end, but I'd imagine with the green chilies it would have been really good too. Anyway, we're back. We had a phenomenal time. It was great to see the kids. It was great to see Uncle Mark. I mean, it is Uncle Mark because he is more family than he is a friend. We've known each other for a long time. And anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you like what you saw, leave a comment for Uncle Mark, all right? And we'll see you on the next video.